everyone, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a review on this product here, which is the Bare Minerals Oil Obsessed Total Cleansing Oil. So this container is a 180ml bottle and this retails for around the $46 mark. However, this has also been discontinued. So if you can find it, which I did a quick Google search, it seems to be like literally double the price now, but that's just what Mecca was selling it for. So personally, this is the first Bare Minerals product I have tried. I've always seen the brand and definitely wanted to try their products, but yeah, just hadn't as yet. So oil cleansing is something I'm still, I would say, fairly new to. I probably started maybe about a year or less ago. I just think it is such a beautiful, luxurious extra step and I absolutely love it. I personally think as well, like when you wear makeup, it just helps to break it all down. So definitely if I have a full face of makeup on, I will 100% reach for an oil cleanser first and then use a cleanser after. So this one, I think this one is really liquidy. Like when you squirt it out, it just like, you've really got to cup it into your hand because it is just so watery. It just like moves, if that makes sense. I absolutely love the feel of it. I love the smell of it. And the feeling it gives your skin afterwards, I absolutely love. With all oil cleansers, I would 100% recommend to use a normal cleanser after, just so it really gets all the oil off and it gives you that total like deep but gentle cleanse, I would say. So yeah, do I recommend this? 100%. As I said, it's just discontinued, so if you can find it, yes, try it. Beautiful scent, beautiful feeling. Love the company. It's cruelty free as well, which I always appreciate and love. And yeah, I hope you found this helpful. As always, please leave a comment in the comment section down below. Let me know your favorite Bare Minerals product, and I will see you in my next video very soon. Thanks again. Bye.